Chipotle tofu dumplings are all that and dim sum. To make them, combine adobo sauce, tamari, rice vinegar, and agave syrup with a whisk, then set aside. Crumble super firm tofu into a hot skillet with a little oil and a sprinkle of salt. Sauté until the tofu has browned all over. Then season with tamari and rice vinegar. Next, set up your dumpling folding station. Wet the edges of the wrapper, then add a heaping teaspoon of tofu in the center. Fold the diamond shape into a triangle, pressing gently to seal. Dab the bottom corners with water and fold them in like a little hug. Repeat until all of the tofu has been used. Now it's time to pan fry. Heat a shallow layer of oil in a skillet, then add the dumplings. Fry until golden, flip, and brown the other side. Drain on a lined plate and keep going until all the dumplings have been cooked. Toss them in that smoky chipotle sauce, then transfer to a serving dish and garnish with chives if you like. Serve while hot. Get the complete recipe at kadriskitchen.com.